Hey everyone, this is Matt from DrawingTutorialsOnline.com. We are here with Julia. Julia, how are you today?
Hello, I'm good.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada, Alberta.
Wow, and so this winter, you're used to cold winters, huh?
Yeah, it feels pretty warm here compared to what it is in Canada.
It does. Wow, okay. How's your time here so far at SVA?
It's been great. I met a lot of really nice teachers, really nice friends. The classes are really fun.
Awesome. And dream job?
Probably storyboarder or concept artist.
Awesome. Now let's take a look at this beautiful sketchbook you're in for a treat. Julia is really good. So let's start flipping. This looks to me like a big moleskin sketchbook. I love the stickers. So now, okay, the beginning of the sketchbook, not too exciting because it's my very boring homework of the rough skeleton and the torso peanut shape and the angles. It's the first day back in September, right? Now, okay. Pause for a second. Tell me a little bit about this page. You're just kind of drawing this character out of your imagination?
This is a character from my portfolio. It's a newsboy, and these two I used reference photos, but it's just like a sort of character sheet for this OC.
Love it. And what's the pencil that you're using here?
This one, I believe it was a 2B and a little bit 4B.
4B, wow. And gorgeous. And so these poses that you're drawing here out of your imagination or from photos a little bit?
These two are photo references.
Okay. How long does a page like that take you?
This one was fairly fast. I'm not sure, but
okay.
It doesn't take that long.
Nice. And so here you're doing Matt's boring homework of positive and negative space. Very good. And surface planes. You did a great job. That is, I'm joking that my homework is silly. It is silly, but it's super important. And that was an awesome page. A little bit of torso peanut shape, light and shade, warming up. Okay, now pause for a second. This comes pretty natural to you, this light and shade thing? Would you say, or do you have to fight for it?
It's fairly okay.
Yeah, you did such a good job on this homework, and the focus of this homework was the line that separates the light from the dark and shading in a solid way. You did great, but this is more like what you like to do, these characters, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, the line is so cool, but as we progress in the sketchbook, you're going to see Julia's shading gets even better. Oh my goodness. So this one was about the values and an introduction to the values, a little bit of the value ratios. Wait a second now. How long does something like that take you?
This one, I think a little under 3 hours.
3 hours. And your sketchbook, oh my goodness. And you're just having fun with this. Was the homework to do your own scene in the values with a little bit of light and shade. Love that. And then we copied a couple of people's drawings on the internet, like Alphonse Maria Muca, Josh Black. Love Josh Black's art station. And this is really good stuff. This is what you love. Is that pen? Wait, go back. Marker?
Yeah.
It's quite beautiful. Look, okay, time out. So this page, talk to us here on YouTube. You're doing this out of your imagination?
Yes, this one I used the reference, but this is a old character that I made since it was Halloween time, so I redrew the character.
And so you're just creating this flowy composition. The line is spectacular, really good. And some portraits. Wait a second. That is really gorgeous. And how old are you, Julia, for the people on YouTube?
19.
19. That's not bad for a 19-year-old. And then tell us a little bit about this one. What marker are you using?
This is just a black and gray marker that I found at a random store. I forgot where I got it, but these are reference photos.
Gotcha. Wow, look at the attention to detail with the little boot there. Do you like drawing all those little things?
Yeah, they're fun once in a while.
Wow, I love that character's hair. All of the hair is very organic. Awesome. Oh, yes, goodness gracious. When I saw this, a model and factor sphere, and oh my God, one of the sculptures from my Begin Here Step by Step at Drawing Tutorials Online. How long did that take you?
I'm not sure. Maybe like 2 hours?
Yeah, wow, I really appreciate that. And this video is on YouTube, how to do a gesture drawing with form lines. And did you actually watch the video? You can lie.
I watched all the videos that you posted
Awesome.
on the homework.
Oh, thank you, I appreciate that. And what is this one?
This is a drawing of my roommates.
Nice.
Just out in the living room.
Beautiful. And you're having a good experience?
Yeah.
Well, I'm asking you a question that you can't be honest with, actually. Because if you weren't having a good experience with your roommates, you couldn't say that on you. So ignore me, ignore me. Reference?
Gesture? Yeah, like 2-minute, 3-minute gesture.
Where was this?
It's a online course that I bought online.
Okay. Nice. I just bought a ton of photos myself. Oh my God. Okay, hold on now. So you're deliberately trying to make the outlines a little thicker. Like you're going over that pencil line multiple times, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I really appreciate that. I really appreciate that. Good job. And what would you say is your one key takeaway from my class so far this semester?
I would say, well, you teach us a lot of different things, and I think all of them has been lots of help. I think the one thing that I really held on to was the torso.
The torso?
Yeah.
Yes, torso peanut shape, absolutely. Oh my goodness, when I saw this, I died. I could never do this when I was 19 years old. That is so good. You did such a good job. How long did that take you?
Probably another 2 or 3 hours.
Wow, and how did you get so good at being so young?
I think it's just repetition. I've been drawing a lot of charcoal or graphite stuff.
Yeah, do you go on your phone a lot on social media, or are you just focused with your schoolwork?
I look through social media a lot. Usually lots of art accounts and stuff. Because
you spend a lot, that's a gorgeous, you spend a lot of time on your homework and these drawings. So, I mean, would you say that your workload's a lot?
I wouldn't say so, but the animation homework does take a lot of time.
Yes, yes. In general, overall, I would say that you're spending a lot of time drawing. And these hands, hold on, time out. We had a how to draw hands class, and you went the extra mile and drew fingers on instruments, which I adored, and you did such a good job. How to draw feet. The reason why we have a how to draw hands and how to draw feet class is because people get really good at drawing the figure, but then their hands and feet are like lacking. So we got to catch that up. Little bit of Bridgman fingers, Bridgman foot. You did a wonderful job. We just did a simple perspective. I try not to teach too much perspective because I have everybody in a perspective class in second year. Beautiful. Okay, time out. Let's enjoy looking at this page. So you're pretty comfortable switching back and forth to stylized to realistic, would you say?
I'm not sure. I was just drawing and it...
What is more natural? Let me ask it a different way. What's more natural, this style or the one where you did the portrait?
I would say this style more, but the portraits I could also kind of just draw without thinking too much about it.
This is nuts. I'm gonna come in a little closer. So how long did that take you?
I'm not sure.
A while.
Maybe a little bit.
Yeah. That's hilarious. You did such a good job. How to draw fabric class, and then draw fabric on your own character. And this one is this your own or a fan art style thing?
I did reference the fabrics, but the character is my own.
Nice. And so I love how Julia is applying the things that I taught in class to this character design, and that's what it's all about. Nice job. Super fun. Oh God, look at all those cool poses, gorgeous line, interesting characters. And we did a little bit of some anatomical landmarks, which is my favorite. Good job. Did you like that?
Yeah, it was lots of help.
Nice. Oh my God, look at that. What is that? Is that Yoda slash dog?
It's from the new Arcane season.
I see. Oh wow. We've been doing a lot of the Arcane stuff in my perspective class in terms of looking at the cityscapes, and yeah, they're gorgeous, the backgrounds. What was this for?
I've never drawn wood or trunks before, so I just wanted to experiment.
You're really good, Julia. You've never drawn tree trunks before, and you just blew us all away with those beautifully, organically drawn tree trunks. Okay. And cars. Wow. Are you taking my perspective class in secret? Because we did landscapes last week, and this week we're doing cars in perspective. Gorgeous. Nice Jaguar, I think, or an MG.
I think this is my last page.
All right. Well, listen, Julia, thank you so much for sharing your sketchbook. And do you have a social media?
I do have one, but I haven't been using it.
Okay, fair enough. So I'll talk to you after the video to see if you want to share it, and I'll put it in the show notes under the video.
Okay.
Thank you, Julia. Great job. Thank you. All right, everybody. I appreciate you watching. Give Julia's sketchbook a thumbs up. It's really phenomenal, and I'll talk to you soon.